Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that adds charms, detail. It is relaxing, fun and wonderful way to decorate clothes and home items. Let's explore some lovely embroidery ideas. First we have the floral embroidery design. Flower patterns are the most popular embroidery style. Roses, sunflowers, leaves and tiny flowers look very pretty on dresses, shirts, dupattas and pillow covers. Bright thread colors make the design look lively and beautiful. Next is the simple embroidery pattern for beginners. These designs use easy stitches like running stitch, chain stitch and satin stitch. Small hearts, stars and leaves are perfect for parties. Even simple designs can look elegant and stylish. Another beautiful idea is traditional hand embroidery design. Traditional designs are inspired by culture, art and old patterns. They often use rich colors like red, green, blue and gold. These designs look amazing on wedding dresses and festive clothes. Now let's talk about mirrorwork embroidery. In this style, small mirrors are stitched into the fabric with colorful thread. Mirrorwork shines beautifully and gives clothes a festive and attractive look. We also have hoop embroidery art. These designs are made inside a round embroidery. People use them as wall decorations for the home. You can create flowers, names and beautiful nature scenes. Another lovely option is beaded embroidery. Small beads and pearls are added to the design to create a shiny and fancy look. This style is perfect for party dresses and special occasions. Now let's talk about colors. Soft shades like pink, white, lavender and peach give a calm and elegant look. Bright colors like yellow, orange and red make the embroidery look cheerful and eye-catching. One of the best things about hand embroidery is that every piece is made with love and passion. Handmade work always feel unique and special. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.